millimeter.
You're not going to be able to sit on the third. All right, 1289.
Who's on stage 3? Going, gone. Greg is. Two alpha. Two steel.
Right now they're going to tape out any shot on paper. They're going to pull the steel back up and reset everything, so that the next shooter that goes through, only his shots will be on the paper target.
That is not a bullet hole. Okay, you notice that there is no carbon. That's a rebound that's coming from somewhere uprange, bounced into here, so that won't count for a no-shoot. One no-shoot. With open, you're going to be using almost anything goes, and that will include compensators and electronic sights. The standard gun is meant to be similar to the open, but it does not have the electronic sights or the compensator. Apart from that, it is high capacity. The production gun is your basic out-of-the-box standard factory gun. Very few modifications are allowed, such as replacing the original sights. But apart from that, it needs to be the exact same as it came out of the box from the factory.
Production guns start at about $700 or $800 US. So the price goes up from there depending on the type of gun and the kind of modifications that are on it. No, this is a members club, so you have to be a guest of a member to participate in the activities here.
Step back. You create a shadow between the walls and you can pick him up easier.
What is better than fire and gold?
This is practical shooting. It's a sport, and the aim of the sport here is to get shots on target.
This match here actually teaches you motor skill, how to move and shoot. In terms of, just in case you have any problems on the road, you don't end up shooting an innocent bystander. But it's all about the monster match here.
Do you like that? Hold your hand, squeeze the ejector, push the ejector.
Okay.
Yeah, it's out, just like that. Yeah, here. Here, come up.
Normally, I have a shot on it, and there was a skin place.
Oh man, put it over the belt. Everything inside. But now go pop. Okay, you can go up and keep dropping. Again. Here. and wraps it on the same target, everything out. The revolver, it carries more stopping power because of the size that it's taking out. So at close range, it will stop you quicker than how a 9mm will stop you. Unless you're using, of course, other point in a 9mm, in which if you have to hit the bone for it to mushroom to give you the same effect that you'll get from the revolver. If you're like this, then E and R. If you're like this, go. Still, alpha. You turn it upside down. You're not going to miss. And this is something I don't practice. I'm just natural. Go, that's the one. Go. This is one. We're in a ring. Shot hit here, came here, took out a couple of bones. That's it. This one right here. Stop there. The bullet is right here. And then the other one, I got it back way. Right here, came through the liver, right here, and kicked, lodged in the hands. Anytime I get shot, people have to get shot. I don't get shot and people just get away like that. I'm a police detective, works in a special squad. Yeah, I shoot for JRA. I'm a member of JRA, and I shoot with the team, so I travel sometimes internationally to international competitions. I'm also the president for Taekwondo in Jamaica, in the Caribbean, so I specialize in self-defense. So if you're close to me, I don't really need my firearm. Your gun is mine. We normally carry the Glock, and we carry Browning. We use an M16, both the AR-15 and the normal M16, and we still have a few Sterling submachine, which is kind of outdated. And in the JDF, we still have some outdated, some SLR. Though they have a whole lot of AK-47, you know. Most of these guns are coming from 80. The M16 is easier to carry around because it's lighter. The AK is much heavier. For the as a result, and it's easy for you to, instead of carrying different firearms, they try to standardize the gun worldwide. So if you're even from France and you have an M16, we can exchange rounds if we're allies. The AK is a different caliber, which is a bigger round than M16. And you have the Chinese AK and you have the Russian AK. They make bicycle frames and so forth, and they use a shotgun shell. They use like springs with pieces, release it, slide them with the primer, and you got a. But most of these guys are getting a lot of small arms, which are coming through ATR through South America. Most of these guys are not trained, and that's why whenever you get, if they come shoot one person, they end up shooting 5 or 6 people because they are not trained.
Hold on, is a rifle you have down there? You can a rifle not 2-2?
No.
Alright, so that's right on the target.
I don't expect it to miss. I don't see a hole in it.
Nah, see, look on it, look good. Sorry, I can't walk go up there.
Is it?
No, it's we in control of the range now, so if you ask for ceasefire,
Yeah, ceasefire.
after the gun and go look.
Yeah, ceasefire.
Go ahead.
George!
Ceasefire.
One ceasefire, looking at something.
That's the way.
Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see it.
Me fire one, and then I fire what? How much a while ago?
This one is yours. I know this one for sure is yours. Yeah.
Fire 1 and 3.
one.
Yes. So I fire 1 and 3. The 3 I
I
fire
think it's
right
3 is
there.
right here. This store.
Yeah man, the guy good man. He got it.
Don't stop blind. So I'm not going to see that far. I don't use my revolver.
Beretta. If you come around the other side, you can get the emblem better. I can't turn the gun back to it that way.